Hi, this is Rochelle Lawson, owner of the Health Healing Wellness Center and Spa in Tracy. And I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to just discuss with you the wonderful benefits that my skin has now received by using the product Dosha Care, which is carried at the Health Healing Wellness Center and Spa in Tracy. I am standing here on the beach in Hanalei Bay, Kauai, and I wanted to give you a fully 360-degree angle of what I'm seeing and what I'm experiencing here, standing on this wonderful, wonderful healing island, the Garden Island of Hawaii, Kauai. Now, back to Dosha Care. Dosha Care has brought amazing benefits to my skin. I've been using it now for about a little over 2 months, and in order for me to truly recommend a product to my clients and to carry this product in my business to sell to the general public, I have to have faith and confidence that this product actually works. And what enticed me about this product was that it is based on the principles of Ayurveda, which means that no two people are alike in how they should maintain their health and wellness. We are all individually unique, and we should have all individualized and unique plans of care for our healing while we're here on Earth. So Dosha Care has eliminated the acne that I had along my skin, along my chin line due to hormonal imbalances. It's now completely gone. Sometimes I get underlying surface pimples in my cheek area, just below my eyes, right on the high top part of the cheek, and that has now completely gone. My pores have diminished, I want to say 100%. I have skin clarity, even skin tone, and on a daily basis I'm getting compliments or being asked what skincare products I'm using, what have I done to my face, what have I changed, am I using Botox, all kind of things. People tell me my skin looks beautiful, I look younger, I look healthier, and I have to say that it's all because of my experience utilizing the product Dosha Care. Now, you can have this for yourself. You can have amazing, beautiful skin that's radiant and glowing, that shows vibrancy, clarity, and just health beaming from you. And you can get this product at the Health Healing and Wellness Center in Tracy. Our website is www.healthhealingwellness.com, and the phone number is 209-640-3154. So again, I think I've taken enough of your time, but thank you for listening to me with regards to the wonderful, wonderful product that we carry at the Health Healing and Wellness Center called Dosha Care. And signing off to you, or from you, from the wonderful, beautiful healing island of Kauai in Hawaii, from Hanalei Beach. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.